Hello all, welcome to my channel. This is Suryan. This is part 1 Asp.NET Core. So in this video we will discuss what is Asp.NET Core and how to create a Asp.NET Core project and also project structure of this. What is Asp.NET Core? It is an open source framework and it is a new version of Asp.NET. Using by this Asp.NET Core framework we can build different types of applications like a mobile, cloud, desktop, etc. So it is a class platform framework. So let's see how to create an ASP.NET Core project in a Visual Studio. So we'll open Visual Studio. So here I'm going to choose and create new project. In the search bar I can search ASP.NET Core web app. So here it is. So here you can choose which language you are going to create a ASP.NET Core. So like Visual Basic, TypeScript, other F Sharp, C++, C Sharp like that. So I'm going to select C Sharp ASP.NET Core. Click on next, and here you need to configure your project. So like project name, solution name, and location. So click on next. In the additional information tab, you can choose the target framework, which target framework you are going to create a project. So now I'm going to choose .NET Core 3.1. So let's create. When you click on create, the .NET framework defaultly it will install certain packages to run your project. So this is a project creation. So when you see in the dependencies under framework, you can see that the packages Microsoft ASP.NET Core.app and Microsoft.NET Core.app. So these two packages are installed Microsoft framework while creating a project. So let's discuss about the project structure. So first one is the dependencies. So all the packages which is installed from the NuGet or third-party tools, anything it will under in the dependencies. So let's create one small package from the NuGet and I'll show how it will be. So right click on the project solution or project. So manage NuGet packages. So here will be browse and I'm going to search SQL system.data. So I'm going to select system.data.sql client 4.8.3. I'm going to install this package in my application. Click on accept. So it is installing. So in the output window you can see the package installed successfully. So when you comment under dependency section, you can see the packages here. Under these packages you can find system.data.sql client of 4.8.3 which is installed even from the NuGet. So the same packages you can see from the project edit file. So right click on the project, edit project file. So here you can see the packages details which is installed by the NuGet or other third-party tools. So that is all the packages which is installed from the NuGet or anything, it will under dependency section. So next one is the properties. So in the properties we have launch setting.json. So when you open this launch setting, you can find all the profile settings of your project. By using this port, it will serve your application pages in the browser. So that is launch settings. And next one is wwwroot. So wwwroot, it will treat as a root folder of your project. All the static files need to be stored in the wwwroot. So when you open this, you can see CSS, JS files, library files, all the files in the www root folder. So next one is a pages. So pages is nothing but we created as an Asp Net Core project. The framework defaultly it will create certain pages like a header and some welcome page and all. So that is under pages page. This is optional to have in outside of the www root. You can paste it in inside www root also. So that is. So next one is an app setting dot json. So when you open this app settings, when you see in a .NET framework project, you can find web.config file, but in the core project you will not find any web config files. The app setting dot json file you can use it as web config file. All the connection strings app settings will be defined in the app setting dot json file. So next one is a program.cs. So this program.cs, when you open here, you can find the static void main. So main is an entry point of your application. So in the main method you are calling iHost builder method. So iHost builder, what it is doing, it is taking all configuration from the startup class and creating web builder. And next one is an startup.cs. So when you open this startup.cs, here the main two methods are there. One is a configure service method, one more configure method. What is these two? So configure services method. So all the dependent classes we have to register in the configure services method. So next one is an configure method. All the middlewares need to be registered under configure method. So when you want to serve any static files from www.root, you have to register in the configure method. The startup.cs class we can rename to any other name, but when you change to startup.cs to another name, we have to change it in program.cs also. So while creating whole web builder, we are using startup.configurations, so we have to change here also. So that is the project structure of ASP.NET Core application. So next video we will discuss about dependency injection in the configure services method. The project structure, the folder www.root treated as a webroot folder. All the static files can be stored under www.root. Startup must be included in the program.cs file. We can rename this file also. All the dependency classes we can register configure services method. All the middleware components we will add in the configure method. This will execute every request. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.